In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate custom item IDs in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to add the item ID column to your board and customize it with a clear, consistent prefix so every task or record is instantly recognizable. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to the workspace and board where you want custom item IDs. This works best on the main board your team uses to create new items, so the format is consistent from the start. Next, add the item ID column. Click the plus icon at the far right of your columns to add a new column. Then choose More Columns to open the column center. In the search bar, type Item ID and select it. Click Add to Board. This adds a dedicated column that displays a unique identifier for each item, which will now format to match your process. If your board already has the item ID column, you can move straight to customizing it. Open the column menu by clicking the three dots on the item ID column header. Choose Settings, then click Customize Item ID column. This is where you define the pattern your board will use. Select Custom Key, and then edit it to add your preferred prefix. Think of this as the short code that comes before the running number, something like a team code, project shorthand, or department tag. Keep it short, clear, and consistent. A few tips as you type. Use letters and numbers only. Avoid special characters and spaces to prevent formatting issues, and consider adding a hyphen to improve readability. For example, MKT or FN can make IDs easier to scan in views and exports. Once your custom key looks right, make sure the custom key option is selected so the format applies to the column. Then click Apply Setting to save your changes. Your board will now display item IDs using your new pattern for every item in that board. A couple of best practices to keep things tidy. Choose a prefix your team understands at a glance. Keep it under 6 characters so the column stays compact. And use the same convention across related boards to make cross-board reporting and filtering simpler. If you ever need to revise the prefix, you can return to the same menu and adjust it later. That's it. You opened your board, added the item ID column, customized it with a custom key, and applied the setting. Now every item will carry a clear, standardized ID your whole team can rely on. Thanks for watching.